Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Today I'm going to do like a quick unboxing. And the real reason why I wanted to make this video is because I wanted to tell you guys my story of how I finally got my hands on the Mini Pochette Accessoires. Yes, I did. Yes. Like this item is like so hard to get these days. So if you want to know how I got one, keep watching. Okay, this was actually sent from Toronto, like the store on Bloor Street. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this item. There's actually another one, but okay. First things first. Ooh. Okay, I'm actually recording the sound also with my phone, so that's why it's here. Yeah, because I'm filming with my iPad Pro, and like I don't trust this microphone. Like they say it's like studio quality microphone, but I don't know. I don't really like it. I think I prefer the microphone from my iPhone. Okay. This bag, of course. Oh my god, I can't believe. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh my god, people, look at that. Oh my god, it's just so gorgeous. Oh my god. Finally. It's so soft. Oh yes, baby, yes. The red lining. Oh wow. Okay, the story. Okay, so how I got this. I was initially trying to get my hands on this other item here that I've had on my radar for so long. I was browsing on the French website and it was out of stock on the French website. So I just wanted to check where they had this item, and I checked the store in Toronto and I saw that they had one. And I was like, oh wow, so I'm just gonna call. Yeah, I just asked them to send me this, and I asked them to check if they had this in stock, and she was like, oh, for the Mini Pochette, honestly, I don't think so. If we do have it, yeah, I'll add it to your order. I think a couple of hours later, she emailed me the receipt, and I saw on the receipt that they had charged me for both items. So I was like, okay, so that means they have it. So that was last Saturday, and today we're Tuesday, and it's already here. Yeah, they shipped it so fast. The other item now. So for some reasons, this item does not appear on the Canadian website. Like if you search for it, you won't find it on the Canadian website. So I was lucky I saw it on the French website. I've been wanting this for so long. You guys don't know. Oh my god. Look at that. So, my friends, this is called the Trunk Soft Messenger MM. Okay, so what's special about this bag? Well, let's find out. Okay, so inside it's like this. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, and it's made in France. Yes, France. I'm actually French. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. French. I was born and raised in France. Oh yeah. Yes, look. Can you see? Okay, so I'm gonna start with... Okay, so I'm gonna start with this. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, it has 2 more packets in here. Okay, I can probably put this. Yes. Okay. My keys. Okay, and maybe the AirPods too somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, just here. Okay, and maybe my phone. Oh my god, I am so using this evening when I'm gonna go back to work. By the way, this is Josh. This is my friend, Josh. I love him. Initially, I wanted the Mini Pochette Accessoires so I can attach it to my Keepall 45. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go get it. Give me a second. Okay, so there it is. Let's see. Oh my God, it's a dream come true. So I bought these yesterday. They reopened the store in Montreal in Eaton Center. So I'm just gonna put this one. Cute one. What else do I have? Let's see. Stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna add this. Hand cream. Okay, lip balm. Tissue. And that's it. Look. I mean, there's still plenty of space, but for me, it's going to be it. Okay, let's attach it to the D-ring. Yes, baby, yes. Let me know in the comments below if you do the same thing as me. Like, what I do is, like, I use my key pouch only as a charm for this bag. Like, do you guys do the same thing? Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, because it would really encourage me, and because I'm trying to be a YouTuber and this is my very first video, so yeah. And if you subscribe to my channel or if you share this video with your friends, who knows, maybe it's going to give you a whole lot of luck and you might get your hands on one of those items too. Okay, so have a good day, be safe, and bye-bye. See you next time.